So guys, into this video, I'm just washing my hair. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Peculiar Beauty. So guys, I'm here just relax. I just want to try to relax my hair, showing you guys the hair condition I will be using. Come on guys, like I'm just recovering. I thought of to relax my hair because it has been more than 6 to 8 months now that I relax my hair. I don't carry virgin hair. I'm not ready to do virgin hair because the stress, the headache that will worry me. Even this one I am carrying, this one that is not even long, but it still give me stress. But one thing I like about my hair is so soft. Like my hair is so soft. Even if I don't put relaxer, my hair is so soft. I love my hair about that. I like the fact that my hair is so soft. It's not that kind of hair that you try to comb or you try to put relaxer. Relaxer cannot carry your hair. That's not the kind of hair I have. Like sometimes if you even see my hair, you think that I put relaxer just like this. Did you see? So I didn't put relaxer. Just trying to wash the hair and flatten the hair. Yes. So guys, and that is it. Because there's one spirit that comes with when you lose your hair, like when you lose your hair and wash it, like wash your hair or relax your hair. There's one feelings. I don't know if you know the feelings. I want to have that kind of feelings. I want to sleep well, like a baby in the wave. I need to comb the hair. You know, before you relax your hair, if you don't comb the hair, your hair may end up finishing, like finish. This is what I'm gonna do for my hair, guys. Oh, I don't know that lace wig, like my clip, that the what is it called? Did you see the gum? The gum is still there. I tried to remove the gum. The gum is still here. The gum, Mama Mia. The gum from my closure that I did. The thing chopped my hair. So those people, because those people that used to do closure, how do you guys cope? Like every time, what is it called? Frontal. Every time frontal. How do you cope? Like with your front hair. Like only once I did frontal for the very first time. This is my hair. My hair have chopped. Guys, did you see the front of my hair? Everything just go. Mama Mia. See, the thing just chop. And my hair started breaking. I don't know. Because of the gum that I used, maybe. I don't really know why the thing have to eat my hair like this. Like, guys, did you see that? My front hair are gone. Did you see? Gum, they are still gum. So that's why I have to put relaxer since the hair is overdue. So I have to put my relaxer, and I'll be showing you guys my relaxer that I will be using. It's an Professional Formula TCB No Basic Cream Hair Relaxer with protein and DNA. Which one is the DNA again? I don't really know. But this is what I've been using for so long. Like, I used olive relaxer before, but I like it. But I found out that this one is more, I prefer this one. This one is more better. I don't know, because it's very good for my hair. This is the one I just finished using now. This one is finished already. This one is stronger. Like these two, they are different type. Like these two, they are different type, because one is very soft, one is very hard, and this one is the hardest one. If you want your hair to be relaxed, but I don't want my hair to be relaxed. I just want to put you. That's why I'm using this one. So this one can make the hair to be very soft. Do you get? It will not relax it like normal relaxer, like that. It will relax, but it will not be like this one, because this one is the harder and this one is the softer. Do you get? So that is it.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out.
I was not having what is it called, hand glue, but what I like about this this relaxer, it does not chop. Do you see? It does not change the hand color, because this one, the chemical is not that too much, I think so. But if it was the other one, that one, the chemical is too much, it will chop off my hand. And all those olive and all those relaxer that I've been using before, those ones used to chop your hand, and your hand will look black somehow and all those things. But this one does not do like that. I didn't have what is it called? So now I'm going to comb it out one after the other. So this is what I am doing now. So why I put the powder is because I want the hair to relax very well. Do you understand? I want the hair to relax very well. So that's why, and the hair will look very dirty, so that it will relax very well. That's the reason for the powder. And you know, of course, this Vaseline you are seeing here, I put Vaseline. This is the Vaseline that I used, the natural Vaseline, for my hair not to burn. So that is the reason for the Vaseline. So, and that is that. Did you see, guys? See my hair? See my hair?
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be
the onions and aloe vera and what is it called, clove oil that we made. So this is the oil I will be using. And also I have my carrot oil. That is what I use for my natural. Oh my god, my hair is so relaxed, guys. Did you see? Oh, my hair is so beautiful. Like, the hair looks so beautiful, guys. Did you see the way it's shining? Did you see the way this oil is shining? Like, my coconut oil is a mixed oil that I did. If you have not watched that video, please do check the video out. So I'll be flat tonguing my hair now. So I just want to put oil because I like to put oil on my hair. It will not make my hair to be so dry and all that. So this oil have really helped me a lot. This oil that I'm using, this oil is working like magic, like the oil that I did. Just check down my video, you are going to see, or I'm going to leave the link of the oil, how I made this oil. It's so good. I mix it with onions, clove and aloe vera. Like, guys, this thing is so natural, and did you see, it has been helping me, like, it has been helping my hair. This one now is very relaxed. This one, it don't burn your hair, nothing. It don't do anything. It don't hurt. Like, you don't even feel pain when you relax your hair. Like, when the relaxer is on your hair, you don't feel any pain. Guys, this is how it looks, and let's flatten the hair.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now.
So guys, I will see you all on my next video. Thank you all for watching me up to this time. I love you guys. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, and don't forget to use the super thanks. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. If you are just coming across this video for the very first time, do wait to subscribe. Guys, did you like my hair? Did you like how I tongue it? Like, I love it so much. So at least it will take like 2 days before it's scatter. So I can take it like this, like I can go out. You see my short hair, it's so beautiful. Guys, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Peace out.